Hello viewers, welcome to the Fast Profits Daily. Myself Brijesh Bhatia. In this video, I'll be sharing one winning trading strategy on Bank Nifty. Well, before I start on the strategy, let me explain you what kind of uh, tools I'm using here. So if you look at the screen over here, we are using Heikin Ashi Candlestick Pattern. Well, basically these are modified candlestick pattern, and if you look at the candlesticks, there are n number of patterns, but in Heikin Ashi, there are only three candles you have to watch. The first, if you look at, is bullish candle, where there is no tail, or I would say the shaven tail, and the open and low are same, and prices go higher. The second here is the bearish candle, where there is a shaven head, open and higher same over here, and prices go down. And the third candle, the, which is known as the doji, which has the upper shadow over the high and lower shadow towards the low. So bodies within those range. Okay, so three candles you have to watch it: bullish, bearish, and doji. So let's look at how the charts look at over here. So if you look at, this is the Bank Nifty chart over here on your screen, and this is just an example of how the Heikin Ashi charts look like. And if you look at the structure over here, uh, the blue lines which is on your screen are bullish Heikin Ashi. The red lines with the open and highs are same, are known as bearish candle, and there could be the doji, which depends upon the color of open and close. So you have to need to keep a watch on these three candles. Okay, now what is the strategy all about? Okay, so I'll explain the how the strategy runs, and this is purely, I'm not looking for an intraday trader. Those who are looking for less number of trades but good swing trading, and this are I'm doing on Bank Nifty. I'll show you the performance as well on how this strategy has been played in last 1 year. Okay, and you will be very much surprised with the results. Okay, let's understand the strategy first. i, I have named the strategy as trade the trending. Okay, so what are the entry criteria first? Let's understand it. When my bullish Heikin Ashi occurs, so on say 1st of July, there is a bullish candle closed. On 2nd of July, I will straight away buy, which means I'm buying the following candle. The next day opening right at 9:15 point some seconds, which is around 9:16, I'll take a buy trade. If there is a bearish candle, the next day I'll go and take a short position in the futures, and all this data which I will be sharing is on futures. Okay, so because you can't short onto the cash market, that's the reason I have considered here futures. Okay, I repeat the entry criteria: bullish Heikin Ashi candle, the following opening candle, following opening day you will enter a long. Similarly on the bearish, the following opening day you will enter a short at 9:15. Okay, what are the exit criteria now? Okay, and what is the stop loss? So let's look at the stop loss first. My stop loss would be the previous three Heikin Ashi candle lowest low. So if I'm buying on 1st of July, okay, considering there are no holidays in previous three, so 30th June, 29th June, 28th June, the lowest low of these three Heikin Ashi candle, I'm repeating again, okay, because there is a difference between Heikin Ashi candle and a normal candle. So you need to shift onto the Heikin Ashi charts first, and you will get it across any platform, being a tradingview.com, investing.com. Most of the trading software provide this kind of Heikin Ashi charts now. Okay, if I'm going short on 1st of July, so my previous 3 days, which is 30th June, 29th June, 28th June, considering no holidays, the highest high will be my stop loss. Now, here I am using the trailing system, which means if I go on 2nd of July, considering there are no holidays, my 1st July, 30th July, and 1st July, 30th June, 29th June, this lows or highs will be my stop loss depending upon the positions which I have. So every day the passing, my stop loss will get carried away with the 3 candle lows or 3 candle highs. We'll come to the example how I'll show you, so you'll get to understand. Okay, in case at some point of time my 3 candle low is broken out during the day, I'll exit my positions. But my fresh trades will be initiated if there is a bullish candle, will be on the next following day. Okay, now sometime it happens. Okay, so this is the first exit criteria where the 3 candles lower. Sometime it might happen that the candle has formed bullish if you are having a short positions on 1st of July, 2nd of July, 3rd of July, your 3 days high is not taken out, but there could be a bullish Heikin Ashi formed, which means that in your bearish trend, the bullish Heikin Ashi candle is formed. So I will stop and reverse the next morning. On the 3rd of morning, I'll stop and reverse my position, which means I cut my shorts and go long onto the Bank Nifty. So these are my 2 exit criteria. Okay, let me go on to the chart over here again. Okay, so if you look at the first chart over here, so I have taken an entry over the candle over here, and if you look at the entry which I have marked, the bullish HA has formed, which is bullish Heikin Ashi. The following candle at open I am buying, and you can see the rally. So at some point of time, my 3 candle low might have broken. Similarly, on a short side, my bearish HA has formed, and the following candle at open I am going a short. So this is my entry and exit criteria. Okay, now look at the performance of this system. Okay, so I have taken from July 2020 to June 21. So last 12 months of performance. If you look at the performance, and believe me, if there is a trending markets, this system will rock it out. If there is a, see that all 12 months can't be a trending market, so there could be a winning strike rate of around 75-78%. If you look at the last, compare it with last 4 or 5 years of data. So even if you look at the last 1 year of data, out of my 12 month, 3 months have been negative and 9 months have been positive, which means that 75% strike rate is there. Now if I look at the loss months, which is July, August 2020, which where I lost around 9,800, 4,300, and the another 1 month which was May 21, where markets have consolidated. Even in June we saw a consolidation, but Bank Nifty has seen a huge one tick. So in 2 trades I made a loss of around somewhere around 24,000. That was the max loss which I have so far incurred during a month. But if I just look at the positive month over here, look at the positive month. September 2020, 92,000. October 2020, 35,000. November, though we had October trade running, November trade running and ended in December. So that's the reason I've considered in December. So all these trades which have been closed, considered in those months. So if August trade was there and closed in September, I'll consider it in September. So if you look at November start trade, it got ended in mid of December, and it fetched me around 8,400 points, which was around 2 lakh of profits per trade. And this all trade profit numbers of one lot, which is 25 quantity. You can go into the multiple. Jan 2021, 1,500 points, 1,500 rupees profit. Feb 2021, 61,000 rupees profit. March 22,000 profit. And June, April we made around 44,000. In June we made around 34,000. So if I just consider as a 5 lakhs an investment, because 2.5 lakhs goes into the margin, still I am keeping a buffer of around 3 lakhs rupees for my M2M. Though at any point of time it has never happened that I have taken a loss of around 75,000. Still I am keeping a buffer of around 3 lakhs rupees. On an investment of 5 lakhs in last 1 year, I have made a profit of around 4,63,475. And this is excluding brokerage. So if I just show you, these are my all trades which I have done between July 2020 to June 21. I have considered 100 rupees lump sum brokerage plus charges, because generally the index brokerage is around 25 rupees. Some brokers charge around 30 rupees. So if I just add up on the both side, 25 plus 25 50, still I'm taking higher side slab, brokerage slab. So considering this, these are the numbers. If you look at 44 lakh 63,000, so on a capital of 5 lakhs, 4 lakh 60,000 is, I guess, it's an amazing return you can expect from these strategies. So I hope this strategy will really like you and you might implement. In case you have any questions on the strategy, do write into the comment box and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I hope the system will be much clearer for you. Still, I would suggest write on the comments how do you feel our strategies are, and in case you have any implementation concerns, you can comment. I'll get in touch with you guys. Signing off, Brijesh Bhatia. Thank you.
Want to make potentially life-changing wealth by investing in path-breaking companies in their earlier growth phase? Then click here right now.